Singh means king. Singh means a ruler. Singh means warrior. The Guru Gobind Singh, he chopped all the tails of the caste name into Singh.
Yeah. Sardar Byan Singh's son was.
I met him.
You met?
I met on behalf of Tamil Nadu people. I handed over 1 lakh rupees to him.
Oh.
Tamil Nadu, around 500 people, Tamil Nadu people send money to me. The democracy, the majority people are ruling. When it comes to the India, microscope community is ruling this country. You see, Congress party, BJP party, Aam Aadmi party, and even Communist party also emerged from the microscope community, the Brahminical forces. They are only 3% in the community. He used our Guru Gobind Singh's quote. You should not go and surrender to anybody to get the power. If you need a power, you have to struggle and get it. That I forget that point in Punjabi.
That quote.
कोई किसी को राज ना दे है, जो ले है निज बल से ले.
I raised this slogan throughout the country. That slogan. Yes, this book transformed me.
Okay.
Into this noble path, captivating the simple hearted. Not only changed me, it changed the thousands of people in Tamil Nadu. It is like a syllabus for us, for the new entry to the Sikhi. Whoever want to enter into the Sikhi, it is a very good syllabus for that student.
ਕਿਤਾਬ ਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਦਲ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਨਜ਼ਰੀਆ ਬਦਲ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ, ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ. ਇਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋਚ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਕਿੱਡਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ.
So called this BJP government, they did a legislative genocide. They are not killing directly people. They are killing the people through law. So how we can change the law? And because of Kanshiramji's concept, 15 states of this country opened the account. The scheduled caste people came to participate in the power. During the Manivar Kanshiramji period, our so-called Sudras, among the Sudras, enjoyed the taste of the power.
But these days they are getting beaten.
Yes, why? She colluded with the Brahminical forces. Bahujun into Sarvajan. Who is our... Actually, I am bind with the ideology. I am an ideological person. I brought up from the... Babu Mangura Mangwalia started the movement here only.
You know about them also?
Yes.
Actually, if any movement made as a Bhakti movement, that movement finished. I am standing here and symbolically I am giving a message to the whole world and India that I am coming here to revive the Manivar Kanshiramji movement at the same path. Kanshiramji addressed at the parliament, he told that my manifesto is Guru Granth Sahib.
My manifesto is Guru Granth Sahib.
Guru Granth Sahib.
What do you know about Sikhi?
Manas ki jaat
सबे एक पहचान वो.
And also Guru Gobind Singh also, you know, Guru Gobind Singh also in 1699.
Yeah.
He openly proclaimed that I am converting all the Shudra into Khalsa.
What are the issues of Punjab? Are you understanding the core problems of Punjab? And if you win from here, how will you address the Punjab's core problems to the Lok Sabha?
You see the government opened the border in Bangladesh, Myanmar and Nepal. Why not in Punjab? Nobody raised this question at the parliament. If this border opened, the agriculture, small and agriculture farmers
became a very rich.
Financially, Punjab will become...
Not only Punjab. The whole India GDP rate will increase.
Okay.
They are introducing their own culture. Sanskrit is a mandatory to read in every school. Mother is a mother, How we can bring the other fake mother?
Why don't you?
How I can accept?
Why don't you apply this thing in Punjab? You should also learn Punjabi.
I'm telling.
Punjab is like a country inside the country.
It was a country.
Yeah.
Ranjit Singh, Maharaja Ranjit Singh.
Yes. Maharaja.
What are the Sikh issues?
Yes.
What are the Sikh issues?
So no political parties are raising the voice for the political prisoners. The social movement only raising. But when it comes to the Tamil Nadu concern, they are more bothered. Political parties are more bothered about the political prisoners. I'm surprising that nobody, no MLA, MPs are raising the voice for the political prisoners, those who completed their sentences more than 30 years, 35 years. Nobody think about the family.
What are your thoughts about Khalistan?
We are talking about the Begum.
Ideology of
Begumpura Khalsa. Begumpura Khalsa Raj. Begumpura Khalsa Raj is a solution. The revolution starts from the lowest among the lowest people of this country in the whole world.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ। ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਰੇਡੀਓ USA, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਟੀਵੀ USA ਵੇਖਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ। ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਇਸੇ ਵਿਚਾਲੇ ਹਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੋਣ ਲੜਨ ਦਾ ਅਤੇ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਹੱਕ ਹੈ। ਉਸੇ ਹੱਕ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਿਸਮਤ ਅਜਮਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਪਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਵਿਲੱਖਣ ਜਿਹੀ ਤਸਵੀਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੱਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਸ਼ਿਆਰਪੁਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਹਾਂ। ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੀਵਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਤਾਮਿਲ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਸਰੂਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਦਸਤਾਰ ਸਜਾਈ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਕੁੜਤਾ ਪਜਾਮਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀਅਤ ਦੀ, ਸਿੱਖੀ ਦੀ, ਦਲਿਤਾਂ ਦੀ। ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਇਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਰਨਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਵੀ ਜਾਪ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ, ਬੇਸ਼ੱਕ ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝਦੇ, ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਨੇ। ਉਸ ਦਾ ਕਾਰਨ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਤਾਮਿਲਨਾਡੂ ਤੋਂ ਨੇ, ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਦੂਜੇ ਸਿਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾਰਥ ਵਾਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਹੁਸ਼ਿਆਰਪੁਰ ਤੋਂ ਚੋਣ ਲੜ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਕੀ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਨੇ, ਕੀ ਮਾਇਨੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਸਰੂਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਣ ਦੇ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਉਹ ਇੱਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਜੁੜੇ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਹੀ ਚੋਣ ਲੜਨਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਚੁਣਿਆ, ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਜਾਣਾਂਗੇ। ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਹੋਊਗੀ, ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇਕਰ ਕੋਈ ਕਿਤਾਈ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾफ़ ਕਰਨਾ। ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਦੀ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ
ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਫਤਿਹ ਜੀ, ਫਤਿਹ ਜੀ।
Let's tell us something about yourself. You came from Tamil Nadu and choose Hoshiarpur seat to elect part of contest elections. And now, why? First question is, tell us something about you and why choose you Hoshiarpur?
Actually, basically, I am a socio-political, cultural activist.
Okay.
For the last more than 25 years. I am working for the downtrodden among the downtrodden people of this country.
Okay.
Working means not only social and culturally. I am working in the political platform. So political power is the only master key which can open any lock, whether it is a social problem, cultural problem, economical problem. Political power is the only master key. But people couldn't understand, the downtrodden people couldn't understand about the importance of the political power. They are talking about the right to water, a right to food, a right to, they are claiming for the human rights.
Yeah.
So they are struggling for every rights. But when it comes to the right to vote, the corporates are involving. The people's involvement is missing. So when you see that in Singhu border and Haryana border, our agriculture farmers are sitting there. You see everybody's participation, whoever sitting there, their individual participation is also ensured, and also their community participation also ensured, their family participation also ensured. They are sitting for, they're sitting there for the right to the farmers.
Yeah.
When it comes to the right to vote, you see anybody's participation is there? Nobody. The people are not ready to participate because right to vote means it's related to the democracy.
Yeah.
Nobody can escape from the democracy. Actually, we have to celebrate the democracy with the participation of the people.
People are, I think, frustrated by the democratic system of this country or political system or that jumla baji.
No. Actually, it is a wrong perception. These Manwadis are continuously giving to our people's mind. We are the majority in the democracy. How the people are saying that? Because we failed to teach the meaning of the democracy. Democracy means the whole world. In the whole world, the democracy, the majority people are ruling. When it comes to the India, microscope community is ruling this country. You see, Congress party, BJP party, Aam Aadmi party, and even Communist party also emerged from the microscope community, the Brahminical forces. They are only 3% in the community. How we are the majority. Around more than, actually, non-Brahmins are the more than 95% in this country.
They divided us in many micros.
Many castes.
But it's our responsibility. Because that's what Guru Nanak Ji wanted to weld all the people under one umbrella. And also Guru Gobind Singh also, Guru Gobind Singh also in 1699.
Yeah.
He openly proclaimed that I am converting all the Shudra into Khalsa. So now
After that, there will be no any caste.
Yes.
Only Sikh.
only saying, only all their Guru Gobind Singh, he chopped all the tails of the caste name into Singh.
Yeah.
Now here you see, nobody using their caste name. Everybody using their surname as a Singh. Singh means king. Singh means a ruler. Singh means warrior. So this type of, he blasted the mindset of the age-old caste system. Now our people fail to understand to participate in the democracy. They fail to understand what is a democracy, what is their vote, the value of the vote. So nobody is coming and playing the game of love because they are playing the game of hatred and divide. Manuvadis, their dharma is saying that you divide the people in the name of caste, in the name of religion, in the name of...
Do you think practice of democracy is going well in this country?
Actually, that is majority people are not participating. We are not participating.
I'm talking
Actually,
about law
you
and
see-
order. I am talking about the system, caste system you mentioned earlier, and all these things which are dividing the people on the name of caste, on the name of
Religion also.
religion, on the name of economical difference. There are many filters in these things.
Yes, I can understand your feelings. But you see, nobody is ready to weld their caste except Manevar Kanshiramji. Baba Saheb Ambedkar weld only the caste of 15%. In democracy, 15% is a microscope number. In democracy, majority only, numbers only decide. Kanshiramji coined all the people. He welded all the caste, like Guru Gobind Singh. He made a difference, na? Kanshiram made a difference. The lowest among the lowest people of this country, he made as a Pathsai, Kanshiram. Even men also discriminating the women. But he had given a chance to Mayavadi to rule this UP. It happened, na? Kanshiramji taught to the educated people. So you are the majorityan. You have to rule. He continuously made awareness among the people, and because of Kanshiramji's concept, 15 states of this country opened the account. The scheduled caste people came to participate in the power.
After Manevar Kanshiram.
After Manevar Kanshiram, nobody became a zero. Na? Before, during the Manevar Kanshiramji.
Before him, there is no one leader like...
During the Manevar Kanshiramji period, our so-called Sudras, among the Sudras, enjoyed the taste of the power. Nobody touched. Whether the upper caste, so-called upper caste people touched our scheduled caste people when our BSP ruled the UP.
But these days, they are getting beaten.
Yes, why?
She colluded with the Brahminical forces. Bahujun into Sarvajan. Who is our
You
common
are talking
enemy?
about Mayavati. That's
Yes,
why
of
you
course.
don't go with the BSP.
Yeah, actually, I am bound with the ideology. I am an ideological person. I brought up from the land of Periyar. Without Periyar,
The Periyar who don't believe in the God.
not only God, he is a rational man, na? Not believe
But
in the,
you are
but you are,
becoming
but the Periyar told to our Shudras, you get out of the Hindu religion and join in the Muslim, Islam. During the period of Periyar, lot of scheduled caste people converted into Muslims. They destroyed the caste identity and they associated with the Muslims. In 1984, 82, the very big revolution happened among the Dalit. You go to the Google and search Meenachipuram. Lot of scheduled caste people went embraced Islam because of the oppression of the caste system.
Let's come to your party system. Which party you belong with, and why you choose specifically Hoshiarpur to be a part of Lok Sabha.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Actually,
I am the founder cum president of Bahujan Dravida Party.
Bahujan
Dravida Party.
Dravida Party.
Bahujan means it indicates the numbers, majority. Dravidian means you and me are Dravidians. Whoever the land owners, Mool Nivasis,
Okay.
they are all Dravidians. There are two races in India. One is Aryan and another one is Dravidian. You and me are all Dravidians.
Okay.
Dravidian means we are the owner of this, native of this country. So, our Periyar started the movement, Dravida movement.
Okay.
So you have to come and join together. We vanish the caste, you have to vanish the caste system and associate it with the Dravidian. Now we are starting to say that I am a Dravidian. I am not saying that our Tamil Nadu people, most of the people, not to say their caste. Because of the Dravidian movement, Tamil Nadu is the only state in this country, they are not using their caste name, after their real name.
They don't use Rathore, Thakur, these all names?
no.
Okay.
No. Periyar chopped the tail.
Okay. Periyar chopped the tail.
Tail of the caste.
Okay. You have this book.
So now I come to the point.
Okay.
You asked me that why you are
Hoshiarpur.
contesting
Yeah.
Hoshiarpur. Hoshiarpur has its own historical background.
Okay.
Babu Mangura Mangwalia started the movement here only.
You know about them also.
Yes. Bamugura Manguwalia.
Where you read all these things? Or
The last 10 years I have been continuously visiting the Punjab.
Okay.
Babu Mangura Mangwalia started the movement for the first political movement for the depressed, among the depressed society, emerged in Hoshiarpur.
He was Gadri. He was with Gadar
he was-
party also.
He even opposed Baba Saheb Ambedkar also.
For what?
When in 19 when he Pune Pact,
Yeah.
Baba Saheb Ambedkar went to compromise. He went to Shimla and sat opposite to the British embassy against the Gandhi's Yerwada fastings. He was sitting against the Gandhi, but Gandhi compromised with Gandhi. But he was not compromised with the Gandhi. Babu Mangura Mangwalia. That history, everyone. I written a very big article about Babu Mangura Mangwalia in Tamil.
Okay.
The people very much surprised and learned that Babu Mangura Mangwalia's life history. So that movement emerged 1927 in Hoshiarpur.
You came from Tamil and you talking about Babu Mangura Manguwalia, you talking about Sahib Kanchi Ram, but the people who really belongs from this area, they are not talk about them, they don't know much about them. Are you surprised with all of this?
Yes, I am very much fed up with these people also. Same Babu Mangura Mangwalia's parivar. And
Have
their
you met
caste.
them?
Yes, they are all stuck with the Murti Puja.
Okay.
So
Which
actually,
Murti?
Murti, they made a Guru Ravidas. Murti means what we can do.
Okay.
Actually, if any movement made as a Bhakti movement, that movement finished. Baba Periyar was saying. So they were chanting
You believe in which holy book?
Guru Granth Sahib.
You Guru Granth Sahib.
Guru Granth
You
Sahib.
read
Yes.
Guru Granth Sahib?
Yes. I started to read in English.
Okay.
Now I come to the point, same point also. Hoshiarpur Baba Saheb Manavar Kanshiramji 1996 elected from this constituency. This constituency.
Okay.
I am telling to the whole India. I am contesting here, but messages are roaming throughout the country that Jeevan Singh is contesting at Hoshiarpur. So this symbolically I am standing here, and symbolically I am giving a message to the whole world and India that I am coming here to revive the Manavar Kanshiramji movement at the same path. Because Manavar Kanshiramji addressed at the parliament, he told that my manifesto is Guru Granth Sahib.
My manifesto is
Guru
Granth Sahib.
Guru Granth Sahib.
It also attracted me more
Okay.
because I am a student of Manavar.
That specific quote?
Yes. You read, a lot of people written a book
Yeah.
about
I know
Manavar
that.
Kanshiramji here. They, according to their reference of that book, I am saying.
Okay.
So
This is the main
this is the reason I am contesting. I chosen this Hoshiarpur constituency. So Hoshiarpur constituency, it's a very literate people also here.
Yeah.
More actually in Punjab, the literacy rate very high in the Hoshiarpur.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
literacy rate
in
means
whole Punjab.
when I addressing among the public,
Yeah.
the literate people also carry that message to the whole Punjab and other
It becomes a chain.
It becomes a chain.
Okay.
Because,
Now we should talk about Sikhi. What do you know about Sikhi? When firstly you got attracted to the Sikhi?
In 2012 onwards, I have started to read Osho's sermons.
Osho.
Lot of Osho's
Rajneesh
sermons,
Osho.
Rajneesh Osho's sermons.
Okay.
I read more than 100 books.
Okay.
Osho's books. In that book, he paved the way to know about our gurus and bhagats. And later, Manevar Kanshiramji also, he also conducted one rally. Manas ki jaat ek.
सबे एक
सभी
पहचान
पहचान
वो.
वो.
हाँ.
In that title, he conducted a rally. So in that pamphlets, I'm having that pamphlet still now, handbill,
Okay.
that handbill. So he was telling in that pamphlet that how our scheduled caste people sacrifice their life to save this Sikhi movement in India. He was telling about Baba Jeevan Singh, Uttam Singh, lot of Dalit leaders up to Byan Singh. He was telling about up to Byan Singh, who killed Indira Gandhi, Byan Singh. So in that pamphlet,
Sardar Byan Singh's
Sardar
son
Byan
was also
Conducting election at
contesting.
Faridkot. I met him.
You met?
I met on behalf of Tamil Nadu people, I handed over 1 lakh rupees to him.
Oh.
Tamil Nadu, around 500 people, Tamil Nadu people sent money to me. I handed over to him
Okay.
2-3 days before.
What Tamil people think about Sardar Byan Singh, the assassination of Indira Gandhi?
Actually, he is sacrificed his life to save their own people.
Actually,
To take revenge for the
not revenge.
Akal Takht.
It is not, he was not taking a revenge against. He is more concerned about his own people. So that now he is participating in the democracy means I have to acknowledge personally our Byan Singh's son. So that's what I came.
Okay, let's come to the point of Sikhi.
So Sikhi, after that, Manevar Kanshiramji used a lot of slogans. Whenever he conducted a cadre camp, he used our Guru Gobind Singh's quote.
Manas ki ja?
Manas ki. At the same time, that you should not go and surrender to anybody to get the power. If you
Okay.
need a power, you have to struggle and get it. That I forget that point in Punjabi.
that quote.
कोई किसी को
कोई किसी को
राज ना दे है जो ले है निज बल से ले.
When I conducted last year Yatra,
Huh?
I raised this slogan throughout the country. That slogan. Koi kisi ko raj
You
nahi.
translated to
No.
the people
Koi
also?
kisi ko raj nahi diya. I told this slogan only.
Okay.
From Bihar, Patna Sahib to Kanyakumari, Kanyakumari to Anandapur Sahib. 55 days.
How many times you contest in elections?
2009, I contested on behalf of BSP in
Okay.
Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
In Elephant Symbol.
Okay.
And 2014 also I contested in UP,
Okay.
Uttar Pradesh, Badohi constituency. When Pulan Devi contested, that constituency
Okay.
I also contested
On the behalf of?
on the behalf of Save Bahujan movement.
Okay.
Save Bahujan movement. In 2019 I contested against Modi in Varanasi.
Okay.
Varanasi. So in 2024 I'm contesting here.
You came here to contest. So I was talking about this book. What is in this?
Yes, this book transformed me
Okay.
into this noble path, captivating the simple-hearted. Not only changed me, it changed the thousands of people in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
I translated this book into Tamil also.
And my
Written by
Bhajan Singh and Peter Frederick.
Bhajan Singh and Peter Frederick.
Yes.
Okay. It is all about Sikhs and Sikh community.
Yes, it talks about the struggle and history and sacrifice of our gurus and bhagats.
Okay.
It's a very, very, it is like a syllabus for us, for the new entry to the Sikhi. Whoever want to enter into the Sikhi, it is a very good syllabus for that student.
ਸੋ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੂਰੀ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ, ਪਰ ਆ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਹੈ ਕੈਪੀਟੀਵੇਟਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਹਾਰਟਡ। ਇਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਲਿਖੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਭਜਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਪੀਟਰ ਫੈਡਰਿਕ ਨੇ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਲਿਖੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਦਲ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਨਜ਼ਰੀਆ ਬਦਲ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ, ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ। ਇਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋਚ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ ਕਿੱਡਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਚਾਨਣਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਇਹ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਚੋਣ ਵੀ ਲੜ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਹੁਸ਼ਿਆਰਪੁਰ ਕਨਸਟੀਚੁਐਂਸੀ ਤੋਂ ਲੋਕ ਸਭਾ ਚੋਣ ਇਹ ਲੜ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ। ਆਪਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ। ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਟਾਕ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਇਟ।
Yes. Actually, we are continuously conducting the not only cadre camp, leader-based camp also we are conducting.
Okay.
We are using this book as a syllabus for the student. So, and also we are circulating this book to the scholars. But now my wife and Ashok Saket, both of them joined together and translated this book into Hindi also. So in very future, this book will transform the crores and crores of people in this country to impress Sikhi.
What are the issues of Punjab? Are you understanding the core problems of Punjab? And if you win from here, how will you address the Punjab's core problems to the Lok Sabha?
Yes, actually, this election, parliamentary election, is not like a election like a Panchayat election or a Vidhan Sabha election. MLA, it is a purely we are going to elect the representatives to make the law. Actually, Parliament is a law-making council. So the gundagaris or liquor sellers, if they go there, they don't know about what is the policy on law-making. They don't know the meaning of the Parliament.
They will make all the laws in the favor of them.
Yes.
In Tamil Nadu, actually, I am very much happy that Tamil Nadu people are electing intellectual people. They are sending the intellectual people.
South is totally different.
Yes, they are differentiating.
Yeah.
Even though some gundagiris are contesting election in the Vidhan Sabha, that is a different matter. That is actually, it is not going making a law.
For whole country.
Whole country.
They will make any law for
But
only
in
for
Tamil Nadu, they are electing the lawyers, doctors, engineers, agriculture scientists, educationalists.
That is why I am asking you again this question. What are the core problems, issues over here?
Because in Punjab, lot of law-related issues are here. Like a border issue, you see. There are 4 borders are here. Wagah border and Vishwalia border and another one Kartarpur border. So another one border is there. There are 4 borders. You see the government opened the border in Bangladesh, Myanmar and Nepal. Why not in Punjab? Nobody raised this question at the parliament. If this border opened, the agriculture, small and agriculture farmers
become a very rich.
Financially, Punjab will become
not only Punjab, the whole India GDP rate will increase.
Okay, and
Another actually, and after that, the water is also very big issues here.
Groundwater?
Groundwater.
Okay.
Groundwater day to day it's going down and down. Why it is happening? Because here the 5 rivers are here.
Punjab.
Punjab.
The name of Punjab
Punjab
is on 5 rivers.
5 rivers.
But people are sitting more than a lot of people are sitting the roadside that they wanted to save the rivers and water. That agitation is also going on.
Yeah.
But
They
the
are
water
protesting
policy
for
now,
water.
the water policies are all favor to the multinational company and corporate sectors.
I think you don't know that all the all that points in the constitution amended to the center. We don't do anything on our own. Punjab.
Actually, this
So-called this local, this BJP government, they did a legislative genocide. Legislative genocide. They are not killing directly people. They are killing the people through law. So how we can change the law? If our people will go to the parliament, then only we can make our own law. All the state power, all that union powers grabbed by the center right now. All this, actually center power now they centralized with the Prime Minister of India. That earlier the agriculture right part of the union power and education also.
Yeah.
In 2020, earlier the Congress
In the
also.
time of emergency, the education law was amended to the center. On that point,
2009, the Congress government also, the Kapil Sibal also made one policy, 2009 policy, right to education policy. That policy also dead against the SC, ST, OBC and religious minority.
How?
Actually, they made a policy, they made a policy. That policy talks about that. Based upon the 2009 right to education policy, now the new policy came into existence. The Modi government passed 2020. New education policy. That policy is completely going to uproot the education for the SC, ST, OBC people of this country. They are introducing their own culture. Sanskrit is a mandatory to read in every school.
They are changing.
They wanted to change. They wanted to uproot the language. But Tamil Nadu is the only state in this country. We are still now that movement, anti-Hindi movement.
You people love so much to your local languages.
We are very much adamant also. We don't want to ready to compromise with other language. Mother is a mother, na? How we can bring the other fake mother?
Why don't you apply?
They are saying that you keep Aishwarya Rai like Aishwarya Rai as a mother.
how I can accept.
Why don't you apply this thing in Punjab? You should also learn Punjabi.
I'm telling.
I'm very much happy that a lot of people are so adamant in their own Punjabi language. That is good.
You should also learn Punjabi
Yes,
first
I'm
to
reading now. I'm reading.
I'm reading.
Okay.
Because I want to
You know
understand.
Uda Ada?
Uda Ada, I start to read.
Okay.
So very soon. Actually, it is a matter of hardly around 40 days if I sit alone and I finish all this Gurmukhi.
But there is only, I think, 9 days left behind.
Yes. No. Actually, you see, you are more.
You are here to win, or you are here to just connect with the people and making them knowledgeable?
So every person, candidate, their expectation is to win,
Okay.
win the heart of the people. Not only simply elect and go to the parliament. I want to win both heart of the people also, and also I want to win this election, and I want to go to the parliament to address about the Punjab issues. Because Punjab is a very peculiar state in this country. Punjab is like a country inside the country.
It was a country.
But actually I'm seeing
Do you know about Ranjit Singh, Maharaja Ranjit Singh?
Yes. Maharaja
What are the
Ranjit Singh.
Sikh issues?
Yes.
What are the Sikh issues? I am asking you because a lot of people from this constituency is watching you, and they also, I think, want to know that what are you think about Sikhs and their issues.
Actually, when compared to other states, there is not issues in the village level. It is purely the issues are related to the policy matter.
Because
State against Sikhs. You understand that? State against.
Yes.
I understand, but you see that Sikh prisoners are in the jail.
You came on
Political.
the right point.
You political prisoners.
Yeah.
So no political parties are raising the voice for the political prisoners. The social movement only raising. But when it comes to the Tamil Nadu concern, they are more bothered. Political parties are more bothered about the political prisoners. Through the center pressure.
This is why Punjab is different.
Yes. I'm surprising that nobody, no MLA, MPs are raising the voice for the political prisoners, those who completed their sentences more than 30 35 years. Nobody think about the
Do you
family
know
members.
any single name of any political prisoners?
Actually, I don't want to say. I know. Personally, I know. Because as I'm a lawyer, as I'm
Okay.
a lawyer, Supreme Court
Okay.
lawyer,
Ah.
Supreme Court lawyer, somebody approached me also.
Okay.
I actually I went to Dubrigad also.
Dibrugarh.
Dibrugarh to
What do you know about Amritpal Singh?
Amitpal. Actually,
Now he accepted the constitution and democracy. I'm very happy that he accepted the whole nation as a, his image was to make a Khalsa Raj. Now he had taken an oath. So now after he had taken the oath means he is accepting the whole India as a Khalistan. So that's what we are telling to the people.
What are your thoughts about Khalistan?
So we are not saying about the Khalistan. We are talking about the
The ideology of Khalistan.
Begumpura Khalsa. Begumpura Khalsa Raj.
Begumpura, you know about
Yes,
Begumpura?
about Ravidas, Ravidas Bane. Guru's sixth vision. Actually, our sixth vision is to achieve the Begumpura Khalsa Raj. If somebody you ask
From
someone,
where you learn that word Begumpura?
Begumpura, I learned from our from Guru Granth Sahib. So it is a very big. Actually, I very much when I gone through that Begumpura Bani Sabd, I surrendered myself. So after that, I convert my whole political transformation also happened because Manevar Kanshiramji started the movement to actually he had given the slogan Bahujun Hitaya Bahujun Sukhaya. But I am giving to the people, the whole India, that Begumpura Khalsa Raj is a solution.
How can we reach out?
Because it is a voice from the lowest among the lowest people of this country.
How can we make this country Begumpura Khalsa Raj?
We are the majority of this country. We have to change.
But the power we should have is in the hand of...
It is a problem for you, not a problem for me. Because our people, most of the people stuck in the Manu ideology. Manuvad ideology. So that's what, actually confidence-less person cannot make a revolution. The revolution starts from the lowest among the lowest people of this country. In the whole world, you can see. The revolution starts from the oppressed people. So I am brought up from the oppressed. Revolution starts from me. Revolution started from Ambedkar ji. Revolution started from Manevar Kanshiram ji. So we have to, our leaders also talked more about the problems.
They don't talk about solutions.
It is a time, but Manevar Kanshiram ji talked about the solution. Now it is a time to talk about the
But
solution.
no one come like Kanshiram after them.
Yes, I am sitting in front of you. How you are
think
saying that?
yourself as a...
Yes, of course. I am having a confidence that I am pulling the caravan of Manevar Kanshiram ji. I am never ever compromised with
But
the Brahmin.
Manevar Kanshiram was attached with the BSP.
actually,
You don't like the ideology of BSP or what?
actually,
There is not a war between
Parties.
individual. It is a war now. It is a conflict between the ideology.
Okay.
she is
Ideological
she
difference make you away from
She
them.
compromised with the Brahminical forces.
She go with the NDA also.
Yes, but I don't want to say anything. But you see how much ticket he sold to the upper caste people. It is movement started for the SC, ST, OBC
Their
and
candidate
religious.
is also
SC, ST,
contesting from
OBC, religious minority. This party started for the SC, ST, OBC and religious minority. Now you see in the UP and Madhya Pradesh and rest of the states, who is contesting?
How is your campaign going on?
Very excellent, excellent.
Every day, how many people you reach out?
Actually, different 3-4 groups are working.
Okay.
So they are in the field.
Okay.
They are in the field. But my job
You
is
are with pamphlets, they are going to reach out everyone?
They are around more than 5 lakhs pamphlet we printed.
Okay.
And we are circulating the pamphlet
Okay.
to every individual. We are the only in Punjab. BDP is the only party going door to door to hand over the
handbills.
You people will go door to door.
Door to door. Face to face campaign is going on.
It is too difficult.
Too difficult, but our team now 4 teams are working.
How many people are with you for this work?
Around 40 people.
They are Punjabi or you bring them?
Different states of the country. They already contested election in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, UP. So
Just give your last message to the audience.
So I am requesting the Hoshiarpur constituency people, voters, that you use your consciousness intelligently and honestly. If you cast your vote, Jeevan Singh, Tamil, my symbol is Ganna Kishan. So truly I will work for you, not only for this Hoshiarpur. I have a lot of plan to spread our gurus and Bhagat's message throughout the country. So political platform is the best platform to reach the people, to reach our guru's message to the common public. So now the social media is enough to clear the mindset of the people. So you can use your own mobile to do the prachar for me, because I don't have any resources. I not brought up from the corporate sector, because corporate, in the name of electoral bond, Aam Aadmi Party, Congress, BJP, they are having the huge money. Through your vote, we can finish the money mafia media. So I 100% I have faith in my heart that you cast a vote for me.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ganna Kishan.
Ganna Kisan.
To achieve the Begumpura Khalsa Raj, vote for Begumpura Khalsa Raj, Ganna Kishan. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having time for us.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੀਵਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਤਾਮਿਲ ਜੀ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਤਾਮਿਲਨਾਡੂ ਤੋਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਚੰਗੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਿਚਾਰਧਾਰਾ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਹੈ। ਵਿਚਾਰਧਾਰਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜੇ ਕੁਝ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਜੇਕਰ ਚੰਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੱਲ ਰੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਰਾਬਤੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨੰਬਰ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਂਝਾ ਕਰ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਬਾਬੂ ਕਾਂਸ਼ੀ ਰਾਮ ਦੀ, ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਵਿਚਾਰਧਾਰਾ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਗੰਨਾ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਿੰਬਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ, ਹੁਸ਼ਿਆਰਪੁਰ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਲੜ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਇਸ ਬਾਬਤ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਇੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਹੁਸ਼ਿਆਰਪੁਰ ਦੀ ਖਾਸ ਗੱਲ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਦਲਿਤ ਪੋਪੂਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਵੋਟ ਹੈ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਲਿਖੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਰਗ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਆਪ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਚੁਣਨਾ ਹੈ, ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਜਾਂ ਟਿੱਪਣੀਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੱਕ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪਹੁੰਚਦੇ ਕਰੋ। ਜੁੜੇ ਰਹੋ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਰੇਡੀਓ USA, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ TV USA ਨਾਲ।